How to study for medicine. You believe each student needs a slightly different teaching style to learn effectively. So our sessions will be based on how you learn best as an individual. We are happy to go through one or several topics in a lot of detail to make sure you nail it when it comes up. Talk through homework or classwork you're struggling with, or go over exam questions and their mark schemes with you, to ace your technique and maximize the marks you pick up in the exam.
Hello, my name is Rishi, and I'm here to talk to you about the Firstring Global online tuition service. It really helped me, especially during my A-levels, in which you have to put in so much more work and effort into your studies, but this actually motivated me as well as educate me in my subjects. The teachers are really supportive and actually very talented. They explain things no matter what you ask them, and they are the most patient teachers you'll ever get, more than in school. Also, the service is really seamless and integrated well with Skype, and the classroom they have, the online virtual classroom, is really, really fun to use. Thank you for listening, and it's really something you should try out. They have a week free trial as well, so there's no harm in trying it.
And I'm from Wales, and I'm here to talk about Firstring Global online tuition. Firstring holds the best teachers from all around the world to help you, and I joined Firstring to improve my grades, mainly in maths, because obviously maths is really difficult and hard, and I find it really complicated. So my friends recommended me to join Firstring Global, and I tried it, and guess what? It's actually pretty good. And now I'm really improving my grades, and I'm the top bands right now, and I really thank Firstring to giving me this opportunity. So right now I'm recommending you guys to join Firstring as well, only if you want to improve in your grades. So check out the Firstring website right now and reach for the heights.